Magandang araw po, si Rapsam ito. May gagawin tayong amplifier. Ayan ang model niya. Walang sounds. Bago na wala ng sounds, sabi ng may-ari, meron daw ugong bubuksan natin at nang makita natin kung ano yung laman loob. Bukas na po. Ang power output niya ay A1941, 2 piraso. At saka C5198. Ayun yung dalawang malaki na yan. Meron pa rito sa magkabilang side na tatabi niya. So far, original pa naman yung mga laman loob. At wala pa namang palitan ng ibang parts. Yan pa yung mga level niya. Tulad ng kanyang model pa rin. Original pa yung kanyang transformer. Ilinising mabuti yan. Yan mga ports na mga pinalawang. Bago na wala ang sounds at may ugong daw ito, sabi ng may-ari. Ngayon, ang kasyong yan kapag may ugong, possibilities na mga sira niyan ay unang-una yung mga volume control, main preamp, yung mga main volume, mga sub volume, tsaka yung mga balances. Lahat ng mga potentiometer na nasa front panel. Titingnan mo lahat yan para isang gawa lang. Palitan lahat ng mga sira. Kaya mga volume control, ayan. 3 boards yan. Ngayon, kapag umukay na yung sounds, dyan lang. Ngayon, pag meron pa problema, meron din pwedeng magkasira din dito sa main amplifier. Yan ang main board. So, chicken, babaklasin ko muna yung mga front panel na yan para ma-check one by one yung potentiometer niya. Ayan, mga volume control. Mga sira yung kanyang pihitan. Tapos ito, yan, bago na yan. Tsaka minount ko na. Ito rin yung pangalawang board para sa mic 2 para doon. So ganun rin na palitan na yung mga sira dyan. Ito naman yung para sa mic 1 control ito. So, lahat may mga sira. Ngayon, i-reassemble na natin. Ayan, bago na yung potentiometer. Ayan ang value niya. Pinalitan ko na rin itong dalawa. At sira din yan. I-reassemble na po natin. Ayan. I-testingin natin yan. Yan yung kanyang likod, rear panel. Ayan yung mga port. Yan, pag may mga kalawang dyan, kailangan linisin din yan. Mas maganda may bago kung wala. Nakukuha pa naman yung ibang linis sa linis. Isa na naman pong matagumpay na araw. Salamat po sa panonood. May naka-hook up na tayong source. Ayan ang videos natin. Final testing na po tayo. Ito ang ating speaker. Ito ang ating video source. Start natin yan.
My name is Marlon Dana. I am from the United States. Born in the Philippines. I immigrated to the United States at the age of 12. I'm former military, served in the United States Air Force from 1985 to 1998. Well, since I've been contracting for the Middle East,
Yan, may sounds na
you know,
tayo.
what involves when you go
Maganda pa naman ang sounds. Talagang maliit lang yung speaker ko.
Physical exam. And since I'm getting older, the doctor said that my blood sugar is slightly elevated, and he says that if I don't control it and I don't do something about it, he said there might be a tendency that I can literally have my leg amputated if my blood sugar is beyond uncontrollable. So that really bothered me. I have to find another source. So I started watching YouTube, and I saw this program by Dr. Sebi. He says that there's a way that I can literally reverse the diabetes if I change my eating habits and based it upon the plant-based food diet. So when I went on vacation to the Philippines, I just happened to walk in the mall, at the Pavilion Mall, here in Mandaluyong, Shaw Boulevard, and just window shopping, and I walked into this place called Center Greens, and I inquired, I said, do you sell moringa? And they said that no, they don't really actually sell the vegetable moringa, but they have a product that supplement my plant-based food diet, and I tested it on my own. You know, I put the 2 satchels, put it in the water, and then shake it up, and then I drank it. So I noticed there was a tremendous difference on my blood sugar, because what I did is I tested it on my own with my meter. It literally cut it in half, because if I become a full-blown diabetic, that would end my life, because I want to live in order for me to live longer. Once again, Marlon Dandan, I'm the living testimony. You have to try the Center Greens. Live long abundantly.
Isa na namang matagumpay na araw. Salamat sa panonood. Sirap sa muli. Paalam.